You guys ready to paint a car?
Let's paint this car.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You unlock the door, but then you lock it. And this keeps all the riffraff out, employees, that type of shit. Notice how it's quiet? See, it's peace, quiet, nothing happening, no craziness, no noise, nobody talking to me outside of you guys, but you guys are okay. I get more done coming in early in the morning because there's no distractions, nobody's here. So coming in early, I absolutely love. So I got 3 to 4 hours already in my day by the time everybody else even gets here. So I'm the most productive before like 8:30 in the morning. Car is ready to go. It's still nice and peaceful. No craziness. Pretty much, I double checked it all last night. Everything looked great, looks great this morning. Nobody screwed it up. Nobody's messed with it. But it's a beautiful car. I mean, this green's gonna be so bright as soon as I get done spraying it. You guys hear that still? It's so quiet. So this is our FJ6 single stage, bright green. So I got the paint. We are ready to go in and start spraying. All right, first coat laid down. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Everything looks great. Getting ready to go in, my second coat of color on. And then one more after that, we'll be done. So far so good. So I was halfway through my second coat when we noticed the fly going around. Again, I don't know where they come from, but sure as there it is again. So I finished my second coat completely. Then I have to go back in there and try to get the fly. Luckily it was in a just kind of chill position, so we were smashed it and able to get it out of there so it didn't land in the paint at all. Save the day. These show up out of nowhere. That was my second coat. I'm mixing up more paint right now. This is gonna be my last coat. We're pushing 8 o'clock. I'll have this thing wrapped up before he actually rolls in, so we'll be good to go there.
Tell that fat boss of yours if he's doing one of these weird walk-around things that I'd like to know, and you're already rolling. You ever notice that DL upstairs looks exactly like the fat guy from 7? Remember the guy that got kicked in the stomach and spilled his SpaghettiOs? Why? So you can get the bad side of me and share it with everybody? Well, none of that's making the edit.
What's up?